Before moving from San Diego after 24 years, I wanted to make the perfect goodbye. I was so paralyzed by the idea of making this city tour perfect, it took me weeks longer than I wanted. And while I can't guarantee perfect, I can guarantee you an exciting new experience. So I hope you enjoy this view of San Diego in a way you've never seen before.
How do we talk about it? Is there a way around it? When I open my mouth, you just open your mouth. Now we're both talking louder. You take the ball for me, and I'd go to war for you. Damn, how'd we destroy it? Cut so deep, healing ain't cheap. How does it go? Feeling 3 feet tall, no crystal ball. I'm giving you time, the answer been yours, but what about mine? Feeling 1 foot tall. Back to the old ways, wild and reckless, high up defenses, tired and breathless. Cut so deep, healing ain't cheap. How does it go? Feeling 3 feet tall, no crystal ball. I've given you time, the answer been yours, but what about mine? Feeling 1 foot tall, no crystal ball. What can I say?
On my journey of chasing perfect, I found something better, something unique. Each of you watching holds a story unlike anyone else's. So I hope you come visit San Diego soon and experience it in your own unique way. Because even if there's no such thing as perfect, San Diego comes damn close.